Okay, welcome everybody. I'm especially excited about this one because this one, whenever I saw this, I was just, I thought I gotta have that, and it will end up being a prominently displayed in my bedroom. But with that being said, I'm gonna want to jump right in. I didn't mean to. Let me set a. Set a timer so I won't go crazy on how long this takes to do. Gonna do the full unboxing of the first few steps of it here. What we got? Got the. Oh, thought it'd have more details on it. Let's see how many. 665 pieces. Ooh, this one's for adults only. Nice. Well, like I say, I don't think this is quite up to the Technic or whatever the fancy ones are. Let's see what we got here. Pull you down a little bit. Lots of bags. In there. And one, two, couple of straight pieces, 6, 5, 3. Looks like they're all here. 3 strays and pretty thick little instruction booklet. Paper cut on my thumb from the box. Little, entry thing and the. Oh, I got another one of those little doodads. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. Without further ado, let's get these things going. Oops. Covered up my book stand. Alright. Page step 1. Okay, step 1, we do need those 3. Let me come down a little bit more here. Yeah, I can come a little more. Alright, there's 3 and bag number 1. And bag number 180. Everybody separated. And okay, so no, should be. Oh, that's right. And it says have 4. Okay, there must be a longer one there. Supposed to have 4 on either end. Yeah, there we go. And the other 2 go on here. And turn this way so maybe we can get everything in frame. I'm not counting on me. Okay, then on the bottom. Two of those. That's not 2 of those. 2 of those. 2 of these. Nope. Well, yeah, 2 of these. And 2 of those. Okay, I think. Oh, there's another size. Yeah, 2 of these. Okay. Now, looks like we're putting these 2 here and here. One's there and there. Here and then these guys. Oh, you're not on that there either. Okay. There. And there. And yep, that's now on the side. Okay. Okay, so this guy's. I'm trying to figure out what. Okay. Okay, there's some. Ah, that's what I was looking for. 5 of those with the 3, 4, 5 of those. Then 2 of these. 2 of these. And 1 those. Okay, so tall one's getting back. Two. Nope. 3. And the toes. Those. Alright. And these guys go underneath here. Okay. And okay, so 6 of these with the 6, 8 of the 4s. 2 of the doubles, the plain doubles. Okay. So these guys, the plain ones, go on the edge. Then 1 of these on either side, here and here. Then 4 either side. 4 up. And you and another 4. Alright. Yeah, this is not. It's just repetitive. It's not really. There. Okay. And now 6 of the grills. No, it's 5, 6. Those just go. Oops. Facing the right way. Outside on these things here. And okay, and 2 of these, gang them together. Goes on there. Okay, and 2 small smooth ones. 9 large one. 7, 8, 9. And yeah, just go. Okay, so there. Yeah, this work. Oops, get you all the way down. Work away. Just get 2 small ones in the middle. Close. Small one. One more. Okay. These guys go there. And there. And should be. Makes perfect sense to have this mounted here on the front. And right side up. And actually cover up all the little. Alright. That's bag 1, and it worked out. That's about as much time as I want to spend on this. 13 minutes. That's in my new plan for the range. Basically got a good tray here going. Got a nice solid foundation to build on. Got a little, get the glare off of that. The force is strong with this one, the line. But that's where we're going to stop today. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm excited to see how this one turns out. And like I say, when I saw it, I said, yeah, like I mentioned at the beginning. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.